everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to create Pinterest pin from Instagram account. So I am an owner of a business and I post business related content on my Instagram account. So my objective is that as soon as I'm going to post a new content on my Instagram account, automatically I want to create a pin of that same post in my Pinterest account as well. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Instagram and Pinterest with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Instagram and my action application is going to be Pinterest. So if you want to learn how to do this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create Pinterest pin from Instagram post. So if you want to create Pinterest pin of the content that you're posting on your Instagram account, then this video is for you. In this video, you're going to learn that whenever you're going to do a new post on your Instagram page, automatically that same post is going to be created as a pin in your Pinterest account. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Instagram and Pinterest with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new dialog box is going to appear, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Create Pinterest Pin from Instagram Post. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Next over here, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down arrow, and from these folders, we are going to select Instagram Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. Then a workflow is going to be created in the name of Create Pinterest Pin from Instagram Post, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps for automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we are going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step. For that, click on this arrow right over here. And for the trigger application over here, we are going to select it as Instagram for Business. And for the trigger event, we are going to be selecting it as New Media Posted in My Account. We are selecting our trigger application as Instagram for Business and our trigger event as New Media Posted in My Account because we want that whenever I'm going to post a new picture on my Instagram account, automatically I want to capture the response of that post in my Pabbly Connect. Okay, then we're going to click on Connect in order to connect Instagram to Pabbly Connect. A new window is then going to appear on which you have to click on Add New Connection. But if you want, you can select the existing connection. After that, click on Connect with Instagram for Business. As you can see that we successfully authorized Instagram for Business with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing over here, it is asking for us to select the Instagram account that we are going to be using. For the Instagram account, I'm going to select the Instagram account on which we are going to post the content for our business. So I'm going to select the Instagram account over here. And next after that, we have to click on Save and Send Test Request. And as soon as you go to click on Save and Send Test Request button, what is going to happen is the last post that you're going to post on your Instagram page is going to be captured in this response right over here. So what we are going to do is before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we are going to add a new image in our Instagram page right over here. For that, I'm going to click on Create and Post right over here. And now we're going to post a new content on our Instagram page. I'm going to select a image from my computer. I'm going to select and open the image. So this is the image that I want to post on my Instagram page. I'm going to click on Next. For the caption, I'm going to give a caption to this image right over here. And then I'm going to click on Share to share this post. As you can see over here, it says a post has been shared. That means we successfully added a post on this Instagram account right away. I'm going to refresh this page right over here. And as you can see right over here, a new post is posted on my Instagram account with the caption as flower image. So now what I'm going to do is after that, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. As soon as we're going to do that, a response is going to be received, and in the response we're going to tally. For the caption, it comes as flower image, and over here in the response we have also received an image URL. If I'm going to copy this image URL from here and I'm going to open this image URL in a new tab right over here, you can see over here this is the same image that we have posted on our Instagram account. So this means that we successfully connected Instagram to Pabbly Connect. But if you're not going to receive the response of the new post that you have posted on your Instagram account immediately, then don't worry, because as over here you can see it says 10 minutes. This is the polling duration right over here, as Instagram for Business is a polling based application. That means in every 10 minutes, whenever a new data is going to be captured by Instagram, it is going to send the new data to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so do not worry if you're not going to get the response immediately. Okay, after setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step, and for the action application, as our objective is that whenever we post any image on our Instagram account, automatically a pin should be created of that same post in my Pinterest account. So for the action application over here, we are going to select it as Pinterest right over here. And for the action event, I'm going to be selecting it as create pin right away, as we want to create a pin of the content that we are posting on our Instagram account. And then we're going to click on connect. In order to connect Pinterest to Pabbly Connect, a new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. After that, we have to click on connect with Pinterest right over here. Then a new window is going to appear, which is asking for a permission. I'm going to click on give access right away, as the save process in my data is perfectly saved with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on give access right over here. As you can see that we successfully authorized Pinterest to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, firstly over here it is asking for us to select a board. So I've created multiple pin boards over here in my Pinterest account, from which I'm going to select Pabbly as a board I want to save this pin in. So for the board over here, I'm going to select it as Pabbly. Next over here it is asking for the board section ID, and it says if you want to leave this field as blank, we have to turn on this map bracket right over here and leave it as blank right over here. So I'm going to leave this section as blank, as I don't require this field right over here. For the image URL, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow right over here. And you are going to be thinking that how we're going to map the data. As soon as you click on this field right over here, you can see this was the previous step of this workflow, that is Instagram for Business new media posted in my account. You can see this was the previous step right over here. And as soon as you click on this arrow, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. Over here, as it is asking for the image URL, I'm going to map the data of this media URL that we have received in our previous step. As I map the data right over here, what happens is that data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically in place of this mapped data, the new data is going to be updated. Next, it is asking for the title. For the title, I'm going to map the data of the caption that we have received from our Instagram right over here. After that, it is asking for the description. As I don't require this field, I'm going to skip the part. Similarly, for the alt text and image, if you require the fields right over here, then you can fill the details over here in these fields according to your requirement. As I don't require them, I'm going to skip the part, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you go to click on save and send test request, over here a response is going to be received, and the response that we have received is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my Pinterest account and I'm going to check whether a pin is created in my Pinterest account or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pinterest account. I'm going to open this board name as Pabbly right over here. I'm going to refresh the page. And yes, as you can see right over here, a new pin is created in my Pinterest account for the image title as flower image, and this is the image that we have uploaded in our Instagram account, as you can see right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram and Pinterest with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload another image in my Instagram account, and I'm going to check whether a new pin is created in my Pinterest account of that same content that we have posted on our Instagram account or not. For that, I'm going to post another image. Click on create and post right over here. So as you can see right over here, this is the post that I'm going to be posting. The image is this right over here, and for the caption, return it as beautiful mountains. Then I'm going to click on share to share this post on my Instagram page. And as you can see over here, it says your post has been shared. So now if I'm going to refresh my Instagram account right over here, you can see a new post has been now posted on my Instagram account with the caption as beautiful mountains right over here. So after 10 minutes, as Instagram is a polling based application, after 10 minutes I'm going to open my Pinterest account and I'm going to check whether a new pin has been created in my Pinterest account with the help of this post that I've posted on my Instagram account or not. For that, I'm going to open my Pinterest account in 10 minutes. And yes, as you can see right over here, after 10 minutes a new pin has been created in my Pinterest account in the title of beautiful mountains, and this is the same image that we have posted on our Instagram account. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram and Pinterest with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, in this video we have learned that as soon as you're going to post a new image or a new content in your Instagram account, automatically that same content is going to be created as a pin in your Pinterest account. For that, what we have done is we have simply created an automation between Instagram and Pinterest with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how we create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.